everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. And guess what we're doing today? We are going to try out a new eyeshadow palette I purchased. Let me grab it here. I did a look. If you want to see how I did this look, and it's really simple, easy, fast, just stay tuned towards the end of the video. I am going to do swatches though of this for you first. It is the Lunar Beauty what's it called? Moon Spell. That's it, Moon Spell. And I thought I would dress for the occasion. I have on this little headband picked up from Michael's. It was like 60% off. Picked it up because I love things like this. And I always wear them around Halloween because I don't have any other time to wear them. Anyway, so I always love things like this. So I picked it up. I'm wearing a new dress with these bell sleeves that I thought it just kind of fits the mood. So this is the palette. Manny MUA's cosmetic line. I have never tried anything from Lunar Beauty before. This caught my eye, and I will tell you, it was for the packaging, not so much for what was inside. But I do like what I used today. But look at this. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I think this is the best packaging I have seen. This is the outer. The inner. It looks like a book of spells. And it has a lock on it. It's not a real lock, but it is raised and it looks real. It's got gilded pages, if it were a book. And I've already taken the plastic out. And this is what this baby looks like. Let me hold it up this way. Look at that. I am in love with this palette. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. All of the shades are named after witches from TV shows or movies. I will admit, I really don't know all these, but that's okay. I do like shows with witches in movies and TV shows. I think my very first favorite TV show when I was little was Bewitched, and I wanted to be Samantha, and I would try to wiggle my nose. And I mean, what lady my age does not remember Samantha and Bewitched? I mean, you know, classic, classic, classic. So, let's swatch these and look at them. I have only touched the shadows I put on my eyes. I did not touch any of these or swatch any of these other than what I put on my eyes. We will go down my arm right here. That seems to be the best place. And I will bring you in. Let's see if I can scoot you in a bit. Hit the right button. Alright, let's go this way. Alright, I'm going to go across the top. There are 15 shades in here. Top row are all purples. Okay, first is Prue, which is a beautiful shimmer. I have that on top of my lids. Piper is a satin. That is a beautiful shade. Now, I think Piper is from Charmed. Maybe Prue is too. I watched Charmed the first couple seasons, but my memory's so bad I don't remember characters' names. I'm watching American Horror Story 1984 right now, and I can't tell you any character's name except I think the one is Rita, but it's not really Rita, or I don't know. I know it's Emma Roberts is in there, and Billy Lord, but I don't know their character names. Oh my gosh, this color is gorgeous. Phoebe. Phoebe is a duochrome. I can see blue. I see burgundy, like a burgundy rose, and then I see shifts of blue and maybe even green in that. Can you see that? Then we have Paige. Paige is like a purpley pink matte. Let's put these 4 on. Oh, that duochrome is gorgeous. I'm going to have to play with this palette some more. That duochrome is gorgeous. Phoebe. All right. Gorgeous. Okay, and then one more at the top, and it's Sabrina. Now, I know Sabrina the Teenage Witch, but my Sabrina is Samantha's cousin. There we go. That's a beautiful, beautiful matte. Oh, these are so gorgeous. Next row, I have neutrals and some shimmer. So let's get started. Winifred. Isn't Winifred from Hocus Pocus? I love Hocus Pocus. And that is a beautiful mustardy brown matte. I love that. Then Sarah. Is that for Sarah Jessica Parker or is that for a different Sarah? Doesn't matter. It's another matte and it's a beautiful taupe. See that? Next, Mary is a glitter shimmer. Oh, beautiful olive green. It looks so much better on the finger than it does in the pan. Then Samantha. I was going to use Samantha, but I will another time. Again, a glitter shimmer, and she is a pretty rose gold. There, I know my swatches are not that great. Oh yeah, beautiful. Samantha's beautiful. All those shades are beautiful. I need to do an eye look. These 4 shades need their own eye look, and then there's one more shade. Let me swatch it. It's a matte. I used it today. It's called Kiki. And it's a pretty cocoa matte. Yeah, let's put it right there. I didn't swatch that very well. There we go. Now the bottom row. The bottom row is we have a gold and then we have some greens and teals. So first is Hermione. I know who Hermione is. And Hermione is gold. Love her. Gold. Bonnie I used today. Bonnie is a matte lime green. I wish she was a little more pigmented because you see how you can kind of see through it on my finger. I had to kind of build it up under my eyes. So I wish it was just a little more pigmented. Marnie is a matte green, a nice matte, maybe army green. And then Nancy is a matte teal blue. There we go. Let's just put them right here. Oh, very pretty. And then I have one more, and it is Fiona. And Fiona is a shimmer teal. Deep, deep shimmer teal. Not a duochrome. There we go. Thought maybe. That would have been a beautiful duochrome if they had done it. But that is gorgeous. I have to say, I am loving that duochrome, the Phoebe. Beautiful, beautiful shades. Much prettier since I swatched them than I thought they looked in the palette. Again, see, you just never know. But this palette was an impulse buy because of the packaging, of the concept being witches from TV and movies. That got me. The shades did not speak to me when I purchased it. I purchased it for the other reasons, but I am very, very pleased and impressed. Yeah, this is just beautiful. Love this palette. So, if you want to see how I did this look, then just stay tuned. here's my finished look. I really like this. I love the purple on my eyes. I love having the neutral background with the bright purple and the shimmer and that little touch of green underneath. This would be a good look. You could wear maybe to some offices. Some places do not allow you to dress up for Halloween. I would wear this to work if I worked at a place that did not allow me to dress up for Halloween. And I would just wear something, you know, just something normal, but with a little hint of Halloween to it. I loved how this turned out. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.